The story of rain. Let's talk about what is rain and how clouds form. The uses of rain in our day-to-day life, and how human activities affect rain, and the importance of rain to every living being on the earth. This is Science A+ Global and you are watching our Science Talks series. Rain gives life to Mother Earth. What is rain? Rain is when the water from the clouds moves to the earth. Water from the rain nourishes the land, and moves to the deeper layers of ground and the sea via rivers. Water from land and rivers evaporates and makes clouds. This is simply what we call the water cycle. So how do clouds form? Well, let's understand it more simply. Water is found in the atmosphere as very small droplets. When the atmosphere is hot, there are lots of water droplets found. But as we go up in the atmosphere, the temperature comes down. This cooler temperature results in the packing of small droplets of water into larger drops of water. This resultant water droplet is formed by the process of condensation. When clouds are bigger and heavier, they cause rain. Is the rain useful or a nuisance? Have you ever forgotten your umbrella, and the rain surprised you on your way home? Have you ever cancelled or postponed your daily activities because of rain? One might say, yes, rain is a nuisance for me, but is it true? Well, let's see the bigger picture. Rain is really useful for everyone. It is useful for trees, animals, humans, and the land. Rainwater is used for drinking, washing, agriculture, production of electricity, and many more industries. So, we cannot say rain is not good for us. Now think, is rain really important? So this is the summary of our video. Rain is beneficial for everyone on Earth, and it balances the water cycle and maintains life on Earth. So, thanks for watching and do not forget to share this video with your friends. If you wish to see more videos, subscribe our channel, and hit that bell icon to get notified when we publish a new episode. Don't forget to visit our website. Have a great day.